Hey, do you have a profitable strategy? Well, that's the most common question I get. Some people already have a strategy, but they don't know if it is profitable or not. Others make some money, but they are not consistent. So that's where they start guessing and changing parameters in live market. Well, that's where most of the traders lose money. In this video, I'm not here to sell any profitable strategy. I'm going to be explaining you how you can use Python and backtesting module to get data-driven results fast. And instead of just guessing parameters, you can optimize your strategy based on this data-driven results. So I'm going to share my screen and show you how you can use Python and backtesting module to optimize your strategy. So I hope you guys can see my screen. So this is the GitHub repository of our project. Let me explain you my buy and sell condition first. So for long, we are checking for strong uptrend first. We are deriving this when price has been above for 200 EMA for past 8 candles. And it will be denoted by EMA signal 2. And RSI is oversold, means RSI goes below 10. When these two conditions match and we don't have any previous position, we open up buy signal over here. Opposite is for sell. We are checking for a strong downtrend signal, and then RSI should be overbought above 90. When these two conditions meet and there is no existing position, we are going to go for the trade. Now I will take you to the code. First of all, let me run it and explain you how to run it. So there is a run.bat file. You need to double click on it and it will start running. It will create a virtual environment and install all the important dependencies and start calculating indicators on the data that I have provided, and then give us the backtest result. Meanwhile it does that, here is my code. Let me give you a brief walkthrough of this. Also, one more thing. So this is purely a coding based project. If you are not a coder and you are interested in GUI based software, then we have also created a video of one of our project. You can see the video in the I button and the description of the video. In that particular project, we have shown backtesting of EMA crossover strategy based on a UI. Now, continuing to the video, this is my code. We are using pandas TA for indicator calculation and backtesting module for backtesting. These are the configurable input values, like for EMA 200 period, RSI period, oversold and overbought levels, back candles. You can change these according to you. Then we are running 3 backtests simultaneously here. So first one is fixed SL and TP, martingale. Second one is ATR based. Third one is trailing stop loss based on ATR. So second one, whenever we take the entry, whatever the ATR is, that will be our stop loss. And trailing stop loss based on ATR is we will consider the previous candle ATR as our stop loss. This is the data file which we will load and do the backtest on. See, I have this particular data. It is from 2019. Let's go back to the code. Then I will explain you one by one function what it does. This is load and process data. Here we are loading the data using pandas and removing the zero values and missing values. Then this is the calculate indicator function, where we are calculating RSI ATR using pandas TA. Then we are generating the EMA based signals. Here you can see we are checking the high of the candle above EMA column for back candles, like for previous 8 candles. If it is above, then it is a clear uptrend for EMA. Then we are generating the total signals of the strategy based on the EMA signal and checking the RSI value is less than the overbought, and we can see the strategy backtest is also completed. Once we are finished with this, I am going to explain you the results. Then we are preparing the backtest data for backtest after calculating all the signals and things. And then we have created classes for our strategy. This is fixed TP and SL. You can see here I am calculating my martingale values, and then buy and sell conditions are written over here. No previous trade, signal is equals to 2 buy, signal is equals to 1, that is sell. Above is martingale rules. Same goes for ATR based stop loss. And also one more thing, we have used 1:1.3 as our target and stop loss. Means ATR is 10, then our target will be 10 multiplied by 1.3. Okay, again buy and sell signals. Same goes for our trailing stop loss. Here buy and sell signals are defined, and here stop loss is calculated, if it is long, if it is sell, based on those things. This is the run backtest function that is going to loop over the backtest classes that we have mentioned above, and it is going to write the details in the text file. Now main function curates all above functions into one single step-by-step way. So here it printed all the details, then loaded the data, calculated indicators, all the things I have explained you above, ran the backtest on the first strategy, second strategy, third strategy, compared those results, and according to the timestamp saved everything in the files. Now this is a fairly simple program that I have created to backtest your stop loss and target. You can always tweak your parameters above in the input. This is very easy. You don't need to change anything down. Just change the indicator parameters and the details from above. Now let's go to the backtest folder here. It is in the root folder. So first we have comparison of all the three strategies that we created. So let me just, yeah, so all the three strategies are here, their returns are here, their maximum drawdown is here, number of trades they took, and their win rate. If you want to know per strategy based backtest result, you will get it in this file. It will be generated for all the strategy types. If you want to check the signals on the chart, then you can click on this one sec, this particular web page. It will open and you can see we have gained almost 6% return in 1 month, and its win rate is very high, 66%. So you can see two trades, 3 out of 3 trades, 2 are in positive and they are taken for a long time period, so less per transaction cost. This is generated for all the calculations and strategies that we have done. So that was a quick demo how you can use Python and backtesting module to improve your strategy. If you like the content, please like and subscribe to the channel. Also comment backtest. I will see you in the next one.